The Hereafter 4. In a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 2559, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that paradise is surrounded by hardships and hell is surrounded by desires. This means the path which leads to paradise contains difficulties and hardships. In most cases, a person cannot obtain good in this world without going through some sort of difficulty, such as exerting one's energy. Then how can one believe they can obtain paradise without facing difficulties? If one turns the pages of history, they will observe the righteous always faced difficulties, but as they knew the path of paradise contained difficulties, they maintained their focus on the destination instead of the difficulties. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once declared that no one had been tested more than him, in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 2472. Therefore, Muslims must realize the fact that facing some difficulties in this world is an extremely small price to pay to obtain the permanent bliss of paradise. Therefore, they should constantly focus on the destination in every time of ease, so that they adopt gratitude, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and focus on the destination in every time of difficulty by adopting patience, which involves avoiding complaining and maintaining sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, through speech and actions. The path to hell is full of desires. This indicates the importance of maintaining one's obedience to Allah, the Exalted, at all times by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Even though it is not unlawful to enjoy lawful pleasures in this world, a Muslim should minimize these as much as possible, as these lawful desires often lead to unlawful desires. It is why a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 1205, advises that the one who behaves in such a manner will safeguard their faith and honor. A Muslim should never obey their desires or the desires of others if it means they will disobey Allah, the Exalted, as the pleasure of fulfilling desires vanishes quickly, whereas the regret and the potential punishment will last long. To conclude, a desire fulfilled will not make one feel better if they end up in hell, and a difficulty one faces will not make them feel bad if they end up in paradise. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.